Welcome. This is an introduction to Digital Design Masters. We make the things that make you and your company look good. And I'm going to show you a few of those things. Right now, this is our shop page, and you are looking at the front covers of many of our planners. This is a very hot item nowadays, and we make planners in evergreen topics. They're always going to be in demand. Small business, for instance, there's always going to be people interested in opening their own Shopify store and membership websites, and people are always going to be wanting to set goals, and homeschool is very important to a lot of people now, and LinkedIn for businesses. So we design planners around very hot niche topics. And they're very professional looking, and you can buy them, and they come with commercial use rights. So you can use them yourself to develop your own small business. I'm going to look at this homeschool planner right now. Or you can edit them to design them any way that you like and sell them to your own clients and start your own design business. And what I mean by start your own design business is if you don't have any design skills whatsoever, you can start a business with our planners and our templates, because we use the free Canvas software to design these works with, and it's a very simple tool that newbies can use and create something very beautiful. So I'm just going to give you a little look at this particular planner. And here's the interior pages right here. We have a little tool on our website that's called a flip book. So whenever you go to view a planner, you can see the interior before you make a purchase. And just flip through the pages. The server's a little slow again, so we'll just give it a second or two here. Okay. And you can also blow up the page to get a little look at the detail in it. But this doesn't matter so much unless you want to use it for yourself. And then you can go ahead and just, look as far as the text and the colors go, because when you edit the planner, you want to make it personalized for you to sell to your clients. Now I'm going to show you how to do that in some of the other videos. So we put little icons and pictures in here too. Now they're not all like this. Some of them are pretty plain, but it has all of the layout and designs and the charts that you need. And it's also, I'm going to look at another planner here and show you something more specific to show you how thorough the planner is to use right away. And you're now allowed to sell these once you've edited them on Amazon, on Shopify, on Etsy, and all the various marketplaces where people would buy a print book or a downloadable item. And you can mix and match these template pages also. I'm going to go back to a page here and open a different planner and show you something what's special about ours. And let's go in here, open this one. This is the course creation planner. There's 41 pages. There's individual template pages in the planner. Okay. So in this interior view loads, I'm going to show you something here. This really does set us apart from others in that the detail that is within the planners, so that they're usable right from the get-go, immediately upon download. You could learn, or you could have the tools you need, I should say, to begin your planning your course for selling a course, an online course. You can create one with this planner template. I'm going to show you. This page will load. Let's see if it'll, I can move on, maybe it'll come, there we go. Okay, so it takes a little minute. Okay, so here we are. I'm going to show you one of these pages to give you an idea. We've got down in our templates exact steps that you need to take and how to discover your target audience and how to plan out what you're going to do to build your course. Okay, so this is a little bit more than just lines on the paper and a few graph charts. There are specific things that are in here that separates us from the others to help you. These are more like workbooks. Some of them are more planners depending on the topic, and some of them are more like a workbook. And a workbook is what? See, here we go. You'll write down. You have the questions in here that you already know that you need to ask yourself. You will know what questions already you need to ask yourself when you're going to begin by using this course planner. And this is just one example, of course. How much do you hope to make from the launch? You're going to ask that, and you're going to put it in this box. Okay, you might not know to ask yourself that if you just want to start a course, but with our planner template, it's already in there. You don't have to go and research what you need to put in a planner for something like that to sell to your clients. We already have done that. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed this short preview of the Digital Design Masters shop.